guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. What I have is a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and I'm really excited. I couldn't find a whole lot of things, but what I found I think is really nice. Maggie is right under there. Oh, she's right under here. I thought she was there. She's here. What can I say? It is so hot here today. I'm not even gonna say anymore. Just to know, if you hear anything, it's my fan blowing because I'm roasting, okay? All right, let's jump into this Dollar Tree haul, all right? The first thing that I found, I think these are so cute. They have these little orange kitchen towels, and I think they're really cute. All right, they were $1.25, but they're really cute for summer, okay? Then this says boat waves, sun rays, ain't nothing like summer days, okay? And look at those sunglasses. That's cute, you know? And then all these sunglasses back here. I thought when we're outside grilling, Melvin might want to use something like this. And then look at this, the summer of my dreams. Look at that with the pineapple, the palm tree. I think that's really cute. And then the back has all those pineapples. And the beach is my happy place. I love those beach balls. And then the smaller beach balls. And then the starfish. And then the back just has all the little beach balls on it. So cute, okay? And then this one says, bring your own sunshine. This is like a mate to this one. So you would have them like that. Is that not cute? I think it is adorable, okay? It's on the front and the back with those beautiful orange slices. It's making me thirsty. Okay? And then I saw these little napkins, and I think you get 6 napkins. And it has this really cute gold flamingo on it. They had rose gold or just a gold flamingo. I thought that was really cute. Okay. We always like to have napkins for when we're outside like that. And this has a pineapple on it. And you get 6 of these as well. But they feel like they're pretty good quality. So we'll see about that. Then, speaking of the grill, we picked this up to clean our grill with. I thought it looked like it might be a good one to scrub with. So, it just says grill scrubber, $1.25. And so far, everything in this haul is $1.25. I love Dollar Tree socks. So I picked up these women's athletic footies. And they're just cool, but they're nice and they're cushy. And you get 2 pairs in this. So I picked that up. Then I saw this lace in there, and I thought that was cute. So I picked that up. You get 3 yards in that, okay? And then I picked this up, and I thought, you never know what I might want to put that in. It's just that little bling from the Dollar Tree with all the little colors. You could cut it in 2 and leave it single, or you could double it. Okay, then I picked up plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love. If you have a garden, you can stick these out in your garden if you wanted, with a little hang tag. It's cute. And this one says, all things grow with love. I thought that was really cute. You could remake these. There's so much you can do with these, okay? Then, when I was in there the other day, I picked up these plant labels, and you get 10. And you could write on this with a Sharpie or a dry erase marker, whatever. If you're starting plants, you could go ahead and put that down in there. That's a pretty good deal. Then I picked up 2 more of these Crafter Square double-sided tape. So far, I'm really liking it when I use it in my junk journal. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to come off after a period of time. I just don't know. But I thought I'd get 2 more of these. And then I found, I love their like little search of words. So this is hidden message word finds, and I love these, okay? And you can see what it's like right here with your hidden message. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. It's regularly $4.95, but $1.25. So I thought that was really good. And it's printed in the US, so that's another good thing. And then I had never seen this before. Paint with water. There's this fairies. They had dogs, but I didn't pick up the dog ones. But all you do is just put a wet brush on that and you can paint it. Look how neat that is. You could give this to your grandchildren, anything like that. Is that not sweet? And then they can be such great painters. But I love them. And it says collect them all. So we had 3 of them. We had the fairies. Well, no, there's more on here than what it's showing. But anyway, look at that. It's just so cute. I love it, okay? And then I picked up creation. I thought that was cute with the world and then the little animals. Is that not cute? There's Adam. Look at that. There's Eve. I just think these are adorable, okay? And then the last thing, it's a very small little haul. I didn't really find a whole lot of things. I picked up these galvanized numbers because by the time I get around to getting them, I can usually only find the letters. So I picked up the numbers and I picked up, oh gosh, the heat is getting to my brain. I picked up 2 packs and they have 10 numbers in each, like 1 through 10. And you can see they're kind of tall. So I liked that about them. Who knows what I may do this fall and Christmas time. I don't know. So that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree for this week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for another Dollar Tree haul. I found some really cute things. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Were you trying to take a little nap and Mommy bothered you? Yes, it's true. She has shamed her mama. Did you try to shame Mama into not doing it? Oh. Say hi. Say hello. Say I love you all. You all are my best friends, aren't they, Maggie? Say yes. I love to talk to you. So, until next time. Bye, guys.